നമസ്കാരം. മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 2018 ജൂലൈ 7 നടന്ന ജൂനിയർ ലാബ് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് എക്സാം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഇവിടെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് വായിക്കാതെ ആൻസർ മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞു പോവുകയാണ്. ആസിഡ് റെയിൻ ഈസ് കോസ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ പൊല്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് ബൈ നൈട്രസ് ഓക്സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് സൾഫർ ഡയോക്സൈഡ്. ആസിഡ് റെയിൻ ഈസ് കോസ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ പൊല്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് ബൈ nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Next, the group of elements which does not belong to Dobereinier triads. The group of elements which does not belong to Dobereinier triads. Answer is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Mattu options: option A lithium, sodium, potassium. Option B carbon, silicon, germanium. Option C phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ക്ലോറിൻ, ബ്രോമിൻ, അയഡിൻ. ഈ 4 ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളിൽ ഫോസ്ഫറസ്, ആർസനിക്, ആന്റിമണിയാണ് ഡോബറീനിയർ ട്രയാഡ്സിൽ ഇല്ലാത്ത ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോവിംഗ് ഈസ് RBC diluting fluid? Which of the following is a RBC diluting fluid? Answer is gaseous fluid. Which of the following is a RBC diluting fluid? Gaseous fluid. The weakest force among the following. The weakest force among the following is gravitational. The gravitational force is weakest force. Biological glue is ligase. Biological glue is ligase. Name the crystal system in which all the sides and all the angles are different. Answer is triclinic. Name the crystal system in which all the sides and all the angles are different. Answer is triclinic. Which of the following appear dark blue in H and E staining? Which of the following appear dark blue in H and E staining? Answer is calcium. Calcium appears dark blue in H and E staining. Name the parasite causing malaria. Name the parasite causing malaria. Answer Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax. Name the parasite causing malaria. Plasmodium vivax. Length of ideal blood smear is 1 to 2 cm. Length of ideal blood smear is 1 to 2 cm. Postprandial blood sugar sample is taken. Postprandial blood sugar sample is taken 2 hours after intake of food. 2 hours after intake of food. Postprandial blood sugar sample is taken 2 hours after intake of food. Milituria refers to presence of sugar in urine. Sugar in urine. Milituria refers to presence of sugar in urine. Large empty cells found in the adaxial epidermis in grasses. Large empty cells found in the adaxial epidermis in grasses. Bulliform cell. Large empty cells found in the adaxial epidermis in grasses is bulliform cell. Bulliform cell. Which of the following compound is a normal constituent of urine? Which of the following compound is a normal constituent of urine? Answer is urea. Urea is a normal constituent of the urine. The blood group termed as universal donor. The blood group termed as universal donor. O group. The answer is O group. The blood group termed as universal donor is O group. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit 32. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit 32. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 Fahrenheit. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction was discovered by Faraday. Answer is Faraday. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction was discovered by Faraday. Heat radiation lies in the infrared region. Infrared region. Heat radiation lies in the infrared region. The cell present in normal cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. The cell present in normal cerebrospinal fluid, lymphocytes. The cell present in normal cerebrospinal fluid is lymphocytes. Artificial graphite is prepared by Axon's process. Artificial graphite is prepared by Axon's process. Urinometer is used to measure which of the following property of urine? Urinometer is used to measure which of the following property of urine? Answer is specific gravity. Urinometer is used to measure specific gravity of urine. Urinometer is used to measure specific gravity of urine. Color code used for EDTA anticoagulant bottle is purple. Color code used for EDTA anticoagulant bottle is purple. Cobweb appearance of CSF is seen in tubercular meningitis. Cobweb appearance of CSF is seen in tubercular meningitis. Normal platelet count is 1.5 to 4.5 lakhs per millimeter cube of blood. 1.5 to 4.5 lakhs of millimeter cube of blood. Normal platelet count. Leukocytes seen in leukemia. Bacteria which require oxygen for their growth is aerobic bacteria. Answer is aerobic bacteria. Bacteria which requires oxygen for their growth is aerobic bacteria. Vandenberg reaction is used for estimation of answer serum bilirubin. Vandenberg reaction is used for estimation of serum bilirubin. Light can pass along the optical fiber by mechanism. Total internal reflection. The answer is total internal reflection. Light can pass along the optical fiber by mechanism total internal reflection. Ideal time for collecting blood sample for detection of filarial worm is 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. The ideal time for collecting blood sample for detecting of filarial worm is 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Who discovered ABO blood system? Answer is Carl Landsteiner. Who discovered ABO blood system? Carl Landsteiner. Carl Landsteiner discovered ABO blood system. VDRL test is used for detecting which of the following disease? Answer is syphilis. VDRL test is used for detecting syphilis. Canary grass experiment related hormone is auxin. In which color do we observe muscle fiber after H&E staining? Answer is deep red. In which color do we observe muscle fiber after H&E staining? Answer is deep red. In deep red color. Solidifying agent used for preparation of solid culture media is agar. Identify a renal function test from the following test. A renal function test is blood urea. Blood urea is a renal function test. Excretory organ in insects is Malpighian tubules. Lens used to correct short sight of an eye. Is concave lens. Concave lens is used to correct short sight of an eye. Temperature used for storing blood in a blood bank refrigerator is 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. Temperature used for storing blood in a blood bank refrigerator is 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. Melin's test used for detecting which of the following compound in urine. Melin's test is used for detecting bile pigment in urine. Melin's test is used for detecting bile pigment. Melin's test is used for detecting bile pigment in urine. Which of the following species have minimum size? Answer is Al3+. Which of the following species have minimum size? Here the answer is Al3+. The other options are A, O2-, option B, Mg2+, option C, F-. Among these, Al3+ have minimum size. According to VSEPR theory, what is the shape of PCl4 plus molecule? Answer is tetrahedral. According to VSEPR theory, what is the shape of PCl4 plus molecule? Answer is tetrahedral. According to VSEPR theory, what is the shape of PCl4 molecule? Answer is tetrahedral. An electron transit from 7th orbit to 3rd orbit of lithium 2 plus ion. The spectrum will occur in near infrared region. An electron transit from 7th orbit to 3rd orbit of lithium 2 plus ion. The spectrum will occur in near infrared region. Kaolinite is the ore of aluminium. Kaolinite is the ore of aluminium. Which of the following is not a Romanowski stain? Answer is crystal violet. Which of the following is not a Romanowski stain? The answer is crystal violet. And other options are Leishman stain, Jenner stain, Giemsa stain. Leishman stain, Jenner stain, Giemsa stains are examples of Romanowski stain, and crystal violet is not a Romanowski stain. Area of an improved Neubauer counting chamber is Area of an improved Neubauer counting chamber is 9 mm square. 9 mm square. Area of an improved Neubauer counting chamber is 9 mm square. Which chemical is commonly used fixative in histopathology? Which chemical is commonly used fixative in histopathology? 10% formalin. Which chemical is commonly used fixative in histopathology? 10% formalin. Staining method used for detecting Mycobacterium is Zeil-Nielsen staining. Staining method used for detecting Mycobacterium is Zeil-Nielsen staining. Automatic tissue processing machine is also known as histokinete. Automatic tissue processing machine is also known as histokinete. Colony color of lactose fermenting bacteria on McConkie agar. Colony color of lactose fermenting bacteria on McConkie agar is pink. Colony color of lactose fermenting bacteria on McConkie agar is pink. The answer is pink. What is the normal value of bleeding time by Duke's method? The answer is 2 to 6 minutes. What is the normal value of bleeding time by Duke's method? The answer is 2 to 6 minutes. Who is the father of microbiology? Who is the father of microbiology? The answer is Louis Pasteur. Who is the father of microbiology? Louis Pasteur.